So for this DIY, I'm going to be knitting that. I bought 6 of those. I'm not sure if I'm going to use up, but I'm going to keep working on it. I'm going to knit that. I'm going to knit some of this, some of that, and I'm going to knit this as well. I'm going to need scissors. So by the title you all can tell already, for today's tutorial is my DIY lipstick storage. Okay, everything that I use in this tutorial, I purchased them from Dollar Tree. They are $1. Let me take that back. 99.5% of what I use in this project, I bought them from Dollar Tree, aside from the glue. That's why I said 99.5, because that's a little bit above $1, but the rest of them, they are $1. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and let me know your thoughts about this video down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Let's jump. So I just kind of gauge it, like, you know, just measure it. I'll cut it from there. Got that right. Oh my God. So this is it. This is what I'm going to be knitting. This is the size I'm going to knit for this side. Oops. For the back of the acrylic storage. This is what I'm going to need for the back of the storage. So I'll put that aside. So I'm going to cut this. Because this place is slanted, so I have to keep cutting, you know, according to the size of the frame. I'm just using my eyes to gauge it. So this is we're done with this side, and this is how the back is looking so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side, and I will show you how I'll do this side, then we can move on.